Hi there, this is Become a Classic. I'm Salva for you. In this video, I want to show you how to give service to the front side windows of the Peugeot 206cc Coupe Cabrio. Okay, this windows it's more easy than rear windows, right? Stay with me. Let's begin. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the only problem that can occur in terms of the adjusting of the front window, and that is it does not make the correct adjust with the roof. Then it's going to happen to us. The window remains outwards, right? This is the error. Here I am going to show you how to fix it. Okay. To begin, we have our usual tools, my WD-40, because I'm going to take of make service of the windows rubbers. Right, we start by unscrewing the door handle. Then we have another script. They are all torque type. Okay. um, and then we have to remove the Twitter speaker and disconnect it, right? We are going to remove all of this, and we are going to change it. Okay, the white the white cover. Okay, we are going to change it. Okay, just like we did with the back units. Okay, in the previous video, right? Okay, in the previous video, it has given me very good result. Okay, before start, okay, we are going to do a cleaning. Okay, and because it was too dirty, I always use wet towels, and with this I avoid cleaning and rising. Okay, and we also do the disinfection, and it gives a good smell at the end of the work. Okay, and we ended up giving this final pass, because the first time is to remove the soil. Okay, then we pass the second, and then the final cleaning, leaving it clean, right? Okay, look. Okay, is very clean. It's very clean. um because we now we can work with it. Okay, I want to show you how the system is work, right? There are several screws, okay, that I'm going to show now. Okay, we are going to approach them one by one. Okay, we have the motor screw and the glass screw. Okay, just like in the previous video. Okay, the upper and lower ones that hold the motor. Okay, but the front and the back of the door, this is not complicated, okay, as the rear system. Okay, after we lower the window and little, we discover the screw that hold the motor glass. Okay, this, and then we have another screw that this. Okay, right, where with this screw we make the adjustment. okay, up the window, okay, there are the screws, okay. Okay guys, this is the window engine or motor, right? And we make the approach to the engine, okay. This is the we can do it with number 5 socket wrench. We are going to give it a few small movement, okay, to loosen it in this sense until we manage to make the complete adjust, right? Okay, only a few, okay, not much, okay, and then we close the door, okay, right, okay, we complete this, and okay, we leave the glass, okay, and close the door in order to check. Okay, we check. Okay, the problem persists. Look, the problem persists, right? Okay, to fix this, okay, we have to make the adjustment of this screw again, right? And this is I think I think they make the wrong direction, okay, and we're going to make the correct position of the screw, right? Okay, let's again. Okay, okay. Okay, I think finally we got it. Okay. Okay. This is the final the final adjustment. Okay. Okay. Okay, of the window again, and we test until it make us the perfect closing. Let me see. This is the perfect closing. Okay. Okay. This is the perfect closing, and this is okay, right? Okay. We are ready with this. Okay, we are going to cleaning of the rubber bands, right? In order to prevent the glass from being scratched, right? Okay, we're going to clean it. Okay, I clean this with the WD-40. Okay, but okay, these are dirty. Okay, we're going to apply WD-40. Okay, and with my finger, okay, we apply this lubrication. Okay, WD-40. Okay, we are going to check it, right? I think this is the perfect, right? There are fixed, okay, and we finish. But I want to show you another thing, okay? I have these pieces, okay, in silver, okay, aluminum, okay. This part is from the back seat, right? From the back seat, because I have the in plastic, okay, in plastic, and we are going to change it to the metal structure, right? This is more safely, um, in its look better. Okay, okay, we are going to open the roof again. And for this, look, this is the plastic unit and is flexible. There are no safety. Okay, okay. We have to remove the back seat. Okay, a little, and okay, and we can see two screws. Okay, we remove it, and this part, pull it, okay, pull up, and it's out. Okay, okay, we are going to put the new part and check it. Okay, it looks fine, it looks fine. Okay, we are going to the other side, the same process. Okay, and I think is better. Okay, I like it, I like it, I really like it. Look, okay, I like it, I like it. Okay, finally, we have to close the car, close the roof. Okay, and we finish. Okay, I hope you like this video. This is translating from the original Spanish version. Okay, please patient, because is different. Okay, to record and video two times. I prefer record two times. Okay, in two language, because please be patient with this translating, right? I hope you like this video. Please like it, share it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.